think it is now. Yeah, now it is. He's got to be falling asleep. That's got to be what it is.
Tana's dad did that. He fell asleep at the wheel on the boost.
Oh, yeah. Because, you know, he keeps waking up, obviously. But, I mean, once you're in that state, it just keeps going. You have to pull over.
That person that I was getting ready to pass, oh my God. Now let's see how long it takes for the cops to get this.
You have to even show. They'll show once he's wrecked. Oh my God, oh my God. He's sleeping, he's sleeping. He's not even awake.
So fucked up.
I've never seen them like this.
I haven't either.
He's got to be sleeping and not even waking up. Oh my God. We just keep thinking he's going to hit the bridge.
I shouldn't be laughing about it.
No, me neither.
It's nervous laughter, I think.
Is he going to see the truck in front of him? Oh, shit. I never thought of that. He's catching up to him.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's almost right up on him now. Just go.
We're really fucked.
Yeah, go slow. Hopefully we'll get around.
This is insane. And look at these people speeding fast. I guess we're not going to get up there as fast as we thought.
Oh yeah, that's it. Get right up. Oh,
there he is. Go get him. Right there. Right there.
It's this one.
You moron.
Call them and tell them that he